Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. You can also visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-150 XLT in Oxford White. It has grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, and a 6.5-foot box. This has a 2.7-litre V6 engine. It's a 4x4, and it also has a trailer tow package, which includes Pro Trailer Backup Assist, as well as a backup camera. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your electronic parking brake located here, power pedals, lighting controls. There's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages. As well, there's a menu that'll appear on the dash, and we can toggle through that menu. So display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the shifter, which is automatic, you have drive mode. You press the end, you'll see it appear on the dash. Normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. There's a little cubby in the center here, and you have your traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. And on your touch screen, you have your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You can also go into your settings and slide through for different options, things like Apple CarPlay and your display screen and so forth. You can also put the vehicle in reverse, and this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. Now I'm just going to put it back into park for you. And then you have your volume and tuner, and below is your climate control with AC and max AC. You also have front and rear defrost, and 4x4, Pro Trailer Backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. And down below you're seeing a couple USB and a 12-volt outlet. In the center there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and it opens up. You have more storage there. But you can flip up this seat. It's got its own seat belt. And then you unclip underneath, more storage, and you can flip out those cup holders. Off to the side is a 12-volt. You've also got a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, as well as lighting controls and sunglass holder. And in the body on the passenger side, there's a grab handle, and that just makes it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, black door handles, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is located just below the handle, and you have a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up that box, simply release the handle on the tailgate. It's a lined box with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And then you can close everything up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And speaker in the door, as well as power windows. The nice thing about these back doors is they open 170 degrees, and this allows you to get bigger items in the back. You've got seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. You just pull the tab, and the seat will pop right up, and you now have more room on the floor. And then to bring the seat back down, simply pull the tab again, push down, and it's in the regular seated position. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and you have this nice all-weather mat for easy cleanup. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and you're seeing a couple of cup holders and a 12-volt. In that bag off to the side there is the extra carpeted mats. Up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a big window. Mud flap 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.